Hello, it's so nice to meet you. I'm Jess, the woman behind Official37. Video editing? It's my passion. From vlogs to Zoom calls and everything in between. I would love to work with you and create something amazing. Here are a few examples. Take a look.
Get off of me! Get the f off of me! You ain't good at me! You need completely no one first.
It's fun to have people that are like live out there kind of guide you.
I value you, your time, and your project. Making sure that you end up with the video that you envisioned means everything to me. And so I will ask you all sorts of questions to make sure that I understand your needs fully. When you choose to work with me, I promise you're working with someone who truly cares about you and your project. So when you're ready to move forward, send me a message. I look forward to meeting you soon.